In the grand civilization of ancient Egypt, scribes were more than just record keepers. They were the lifeblood of communication and knowledge, shaping the very foundation of society. Every day, they meticulously inscribed history onto fragile sheets of papyrus, documenting everything from bustling trade transactions to sacred religious texts. But this profession was no simple task. It demanded not only literacy in a world where few could read or write, but also a mastery of hieroglyphics, mathematics, and intricate administrative systems. By stepping into the daily lives of these scribes, we uncover first-hand accounts of Egypt's inner workings, offering a rare glimpse into the complexities of its government, religion, and social order. Their ink preserved the heartbeat of an empire, making them indispensable figures in the rich tapestry of ancient civilization. The role of the scribe, essential duties and responsibilities of an ancient Egyptian scribe. Ancient Egyptian scribes were crucial to the administration and record-keeping of their society. Their primary duty involved documenting everything from tax records to legal contracts, ensuring that information was accurately preserved. Writing was not just a skill, it was a powerful tool that shaped the very fabric of ancient Egyptian life. Scribes facilitated trade by maintaining detailed accounts of goods and transactions, which helped regulate the economy. Additionally, their work influenced governance, as they recorded decrees and laws that upheld order within the kingdom. Through their meticulous documentation, scribes played a pivotal role in maintaining the stability and continuity of ancient Egyptian civilization. Daily routine. A typical day in the life of an Egyptian scribe. A typical day for an Egyptian scribe began at dawn, with morning rituals that included washing and dressing in linen garments. After a simple breakfast, they would gather their writing tools, reed pens and papyrus, before heading to their workplace, often a bustling administrative office. Throughout the day, scribes engaged in various tasks, including writing letters, recording transactions, and attending meetings with officials. Despite their demanding responsibilities, they also found time for leisure activities along the Nile, such as fishing or socializing with fellow scribes. This balance between diligent work and relaxation allowed them to maintain a fulfilling life while contributing significantly to their society. Education and training. The path to becoming a scribe. To become a scribe in ancient Egypt, one underwent rigorous education and training, typically starting at a young age. Scribes attended special schools known as houses of life, where they learned writing, mathematics, and administrative skills. Instruction focused on mastering hieroglyphics and the art of writing on papyrus, often using practical methods like copying texts and practicing calculations. Literacy was highly valued in ancient Egyptian culture as it opened doors to social mobility and prestigious positions. Notable figures such as the scribe and poet Ani exemplified the importance of education, while texts like the Instruction of Ptahhotep provided guidance on ethics and responsibilities, shaping the ideals of scribe education. Social status and influence. The standing of scribes in ancient Egyptian society. Scribes held a unique and respected position in ancient Egyptian society, often viewed with admiration by their peers and the ruling class. Their literacy and knowledge granted them privileges, such as access to the royal court and involvement in important administrative tasks. With these privileges came significant responsibilities, as scribes were tasked with recording laws, decrees, and tax collections, directly influencing governance. Their work often impacted historical events, as scribes documented military campaigns and diplomatic agreements, shaping the course of the nation. This blend of respect, responsibility, and influence made scribes essential figures in maintaining the stability and continuity of ancient Egyptian civilization, highlighting their critical role in society. Cultural contributions. The impact of scribes on ancient Egyptian civilization. Scribes played a pivotal role in preserving the rich cultural heritage of ancient Egypt, ensuring that literature, religion, and history were meticulously documented for future generations. They were responsible for creating important texts, such as religious scriptures, poetry, and historical records, which provided insight into the beliefs and values of the society. Inscriptions on temples and monuments, crafted by skilled scribes, celebrated the achievements of pharaohs and chronicled significant events. Through their diligent work, scribes helped shape the cultural identity of ancient Egypt, fostering a sense of continuity and connection to the past. Their contributions not only enriched the civilization, but also laid the foundation for future generations to understand and appreciate their heritage. In summary, scribes were essential figures in ancient Egyptian society, playing a crucial role in daily life through their responsibilities in record-keeping, administration, and cultural preservation. Their education and training equipped them with the skills necessary to influence governance and trade, while their contributions shaped the cultural identity of the civilization. As we reflect on the importance of these historical narratives, we gain a deeper understanding of how scribes impacted the world around them. If you enjoyed learning about the life of an Egyptian scribe, be sure to subscribe, like, and explore more content on our channel for further fascinating insights into ancient civilizations.